Now suppose you need to calculate present value of a annuity or any other bond. What should we do? We should use these buttons right here, which is N, I by Y, PV, PMT, FV. Now how can we use this? Suppose we are calculating the present value of a bond which gives me 40 rupees every year for next 5 years and 1000 rupees at the end of 5 years. Okay, so what is the future value of that bond? The future value is 1000 rupees I'm getting at the end of the 5 years. So 1000 will be will write 1000 initially. My bad, initially I need to second clear TVM. This will ensure that any previous valuation that you have done, all the data has been cleared off. Now we can begin our calculation. So given I am receiving 1000 at the end of the year, which is the future value, so I'll write 1000 FV. Now 1000 has been stored in the place of FV. The PMT is the regular interval payments that we are going to receive. So I mentioned that 40 is going to be the regular payments. So I'll write 40 and PMT. Now what is the number of times that payment has been made of 40? 5 times within 5 years, time 1, time 2, time 3, time 4, time 5. So given the frequency of payment is 5, I'll write 5 N. N means frequency of payments. And now I will have to decide what is the discount rate that I need to use. Suppose I'm using a discount rate of 5%. So I'll write 5 and place it in place of I by Y. Please ensure that this is not at percent, not in decimal places, it's 5% only. So the annual discount rate needs to be placed in I by Y. Now I have all the data in place. I need to compute PV. To compute PV, there's a button called CPT. CPT is for compute. Now if I press CPT PV, it will give me the answer. That is the present value of that bond, or the price of that bond is 956.7 rupees right now. Please see that this number is coming as a negative amount because all the inputs have been added in. The 40 rupees and 1000 rupees is inputted in positive value. So the calculator assumes you are going to pay 956 right now and receive rupees 40 and 1000 rupees later on.